Thinking about installing a Tesla wall connector for faster, more convenient home charging? This video guides you through the entire process, from understanding the basics to navigating permits and choosing an electrician. As of late 2025, the wall connector is the leading home EV charger, offering up to 11.5 kilowatts for quick charging of your Tesla. Let's take a closer look at the wall connector and its specifications. Here's what a typical installation looks like on a wall. And this diagram shows the electrical connections needed. With the Tesla wall connector, you can charge your Tesla efficiently at home, making EV ownership more convenient than ever. The wall connector is a level 2 charger that requires a dedicated 240-volt circuit. Unlike the standard mobile connector, it provides significantly faster charging speeds. The Gen 3 wall connector features improved efficiency. It integrates seamlessly with Tesla's Powerwall and solar panels for net zero charging. As of 2024, firmware enhancements allow for better load balancing on your home's electrical system. Before installing a Tesla wall connector, a qualified electrician must assess your home's electrical panel to ensure it can handle the charger's requirements. This professional evaluates the panel's capacity and determines if upgrades are needed for safe installation. The Tesla wall connector typically needs a dedicated 40 to 50 amp circuit to provide efficient charging power. If your current panel lacks the capacity, you'll need to upgrade to a 200 amp service, which can cost $2,000 or more depending on your home setup. The assessment guarantees that your home's electrical system can safely handle the wall connector's power demands, preventing overloads and ensuring reliable performance. Permit requirements vary by location. In the U.S., follow the National Electrical Code NEC, which is NFPA 70, a standard for safe electrical installations. Obtaining permits from your local building department is often required for new circuits or panel modifications. International equivalents, like BS 7671 in the UK, also apply. In other countries, like the Philippines, similar permit processes exist. Factor in 1 to 4 weeks for permit processing, depending on local workload and jurisdiction. Tesla recommends using a certified electrician for wall connector installation to ensure safety and proper wiring. Find qualified electricians through the Tesla Energy Partner Network, available in over 50 countries. Professional installation prevents electrical fires and code violations by ensuring adherence to local codes. The installation process involves 3 main steps. First, running conduit to safely house the electrical wires. Second, installing a dedicated outlet like the NEMA 1450. Third, ensuring proper grounding for safety. Regarding costs, the hardware itself costs around $400 to $500. Electrician labor typically ranges from $500 to $1,500. Permits and any necessary upgrades can add another $200 to $1,000. Altogether, the total installation costs generally fall between $1,500 and $3,000. Tesla's wall connector integrates with smart home charging ecosystems, using AI to optimize charging schedules during off-peak hours when electricity rates are typically lower. Looking ahead, future advancements include wireless charging through Tesla's MagniCharge prototype, eliminating the need for physical plugs. Bidirectional charging, also known as V2G or V2H, will allow your vehicle to send power back to your home or the grid, creating a true energy ecosystem. Utilities are piloting smart grid incentives to encourage home battery combinations with wall connectors, potentially reducing installation costs by 20 to 30% through pre-approved programs. Real-world examples demonstrate the power of home charging for Tesla owners. Home charging serves as the backbone of EV adoption, reducing range anxiety by approximately 80%. Take this California case study. A homeowner integrated a Tesla wall connector with Powerwall batteries and solar panels, achieving a 40% reduction in electricity bills through smart energy management. Globally, home EV chargers now handle 70% of all electric vehicle charging sessions, highlighting their critical role in sustainable transportation. Expert opinions emphasize significant benefits. Tesla owners save an average of $1,200 annually on electricity compared to gasoline, reduce emissions by 50%, and adoption rates are growing 45% year over year.